Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to Vegas. Last minute, super last minute. I'm packing right now, as you can see the mess behind me, but I sang super late last night, so my voice is like super messed up. But yeah, I'm freaking out. I'm a little anxious. Yes, let's go. So I have my stuff together here. I'm only going for 2 days, but I don't know why I'm taking so much, but that's what I do. But I wanted to share with you guys this travel pack that I have. Oh my God, it's the best thing ever. It expands and you can just fit so much. And I got this thing on Amazon, which is amazing. I think it was like $15 or $20, but it's the best. It's seriously amazing. So I'll link that down below. But yeah, I'm just trying to get my life together. I still have to get ready. I'm supposed to go to brunch with my friends. I don't even know if that's gonna happen. I might have to cancel, but okay, I'm gonna keep packing and getting ready. Alrighty, I'm all packed up, ready to go. My fit are these shorts from Target that I literally bought last year randomly. This little cute crop jacket is from Princess Polly, and then this bra is from, can't remember, but it's a great bra. It's a fantastic bra. And then suitcase and bag are from Base. I love, 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 love these. And then suitcase and bag are from Base. I love these so much. They're the best. Best travel. If you ever want to invest in travel things, get these because they're the best. Did my makeup super quick and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna go with my girlfriends to brunch or coffee or something, and then I'll head to the airport. Really cutting it close here. But I forgot to bring my camera to brunch, but it was awesome. Grabbed a matcha and avocado toast with my girls. So that was really nice to be able to do. And now I just parked and I'm walking to the airport. I have time. My flight's at 2:30. It's like 1 p.m. I get nervous, you know what I mean? I get anxious. I've been feeling really anxious lately. I think it's just like today, out of all days, like I really wish I could just like lay in bed and do nothing, or like just like go to brunch and hang out, you know, not have to like travel. But here we are. Especially today because I'm dying, like I'm like so exhausted. I can't wait to just chill. It's 109 degrees. I don't know if I'm excited about that. I was kind of digging the gloomy weather in El Paso, but cheers. Gonna go check into the hotel and then probably hit the pool. The Cosmo and put my bag up because I'm not staying at the Cosmo, but I'm meeting some friends, so I'm excited to have a drink at the bar. I've never been to the Chandelier bar. I mean, I've seen it of course, but I've never seen it. It's beautiful. So, and enjoy that.
Nobody knows that.
Oh, let's go.
Well, it just tells you right there.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
I always wanted to do a vlog that wasn't mine.
Yeah. Yeah. We're begging. We're about to make $1,000.
I got $25 check. We're not about to turn it into $5,000.
Okay, here we go.
Damn.
Say hi.
Let's take a picture together.
We're taking a picture. Cheese. Okay, bye.
Bye. But the gin, when they mix it with lemon juice or something, it goes from like normal.
With a cigarette. Edit that out.
You can't even get the Oh my gosh, last night was so much fun. I ended up getting up on stage and singing, and we stayed out so late. Like, not part of the plan. Not part of the plan, but I'm alive. I'm a little dead inside. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm alive. And the reason I'm in Vegas is basically like I'm here for like a music project that I'm doing. So I'm here with like some of the people. Our room is a disaster, like explosion of clothes. I'm not even gonna show you, it's so embarrassing. Got a soy matcha latte because they didn't have almond milk. And I just did my hair and makeup, but I feel horrible. Like I feel horrible. Oh man, but it was a lot of fun, so I'm happy about that. And I think we're gonna go to the recording studio today. I have no idea like what the plan is, so we'll see. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted because I have no idea. Turn your attention from the outside in, before you get busy. Make sure he's your friend. I don't know if the mic is too low or if I'm just crazy, but... Oh, okay, cool. Make sure he's your friend. Turn your attention from the outside in, before you get busy. Make sure he's your friend. Oh. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Turn your attention from the outside in, before you get busy. Make sure he's your friend. Something good, something real, baby. On and joy.
Okay, on the baby, on Alias, let's use the timing structure, just moving it up a little bit, just it's a little bit behind.
On which one?
Hey.
On Alias, last two tracks, okay. Baby! Just the word baby is a little bit behind. Let's nudge it up just a little bit. And up with the rest of the
Oh, baby! I'm like the only weirdo with like a real camera.
Yeah,